Why use systems thinking for organizational design? Organizational design is often treated as an afterthought, a matter of drawing boxes on a chart. But what if it's the hidden variable that decides between catastrophic failure and groundbreaking success? Consider the financial crisis of 2008. It's argued that Citigroup's collapse was partly sealed by its own internal architecture, a siloed structure that acted like a fortress wall, preventing the employees who understood the true risk of subprime lending from ever interacting with the executives making the strategic decisions. The critical information was trapped. Now, contrast that with Apple. The company's legendary innovation wasn't just magic, it was by design. When Steve Jobs returned in 1997, he built a model that put technical experts in the driver's seat. Instead of being told to hit a certain price point, they were empowered to predict which technologies would actually succeed, allowing design and engineering to lead strategy, not the other way around. How a company is structured has always been a response to its environment. The first modern organizations, born in the industrial era, used the functional form, grouping similar activities to maximize efficiency. It was a design for a predictable world. As markets grew larger and more complex, we saw an evolution to visual forms, matrix structures, and eventually the highly collaborative, decentralized network and virtual forms we see today. This history reveals something crucial. The nature of the design problem itself has changed drastically. Efficiency is no longer the ultimate prize. In a modern business environment that is complex, turbulent, and uncertain, the real challenge is designing for adaptability, agility, and resilience. And yet, here lies the critical disconnect. While the challenges have transformed, our fundamental tools for designing organizations have largely remained the same. Management scholars warn that the old instruments of hierarchy, command, and top-down control, once useful for creating stability, are now failing us. In a world demanding speed and flexibility, these rigid structures act more like anchors than engines. So if the old tools are broken, what replaces them? This is where systems thinking offers a profound alternative. With its roots in fields like management cybernetics and complexity theory, it gives us a new language to understand the behavior and operating logic of complex systems. And it just so happens that these systems, by their very nature, display the exact abilities we want our organizations to possess. They have the ability to adapt, to co-evolve with their surroundings, and to sustain themselves through uncertainty. Systems thinking allows us to stop seeing our organizations as static machines and start designing them as living, evolving organisms. In the next 3 videos, we'll explore specific systems thinking concepts that you can use as powerful organizational design principles. We will cover matching complexity, self-organization, and the vital balance between cohesion and adaptation.